Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Whitehead here. I thought I would do another numeracy session. So you might want just to say the answers out loud, or you might want to get a pencil and a piece of paper and write them down. And if you want to write them down, you can always just pause the video, write the answer down, and then on the next slide will be the answer. So are we ready? Are we ready, Mickey? Yeah, Mickey's ready, so let's go. So, question number 1. What fraction is shaded? So what fraction of this shape is shaded? So if you look, how many parts has it been divided into? And then how many have been shaded? Either say the answer out loud or pause the video and write it down. So the answer is 3/4. It was divided into 4 and 3 of them were coloured. Let's do some counting. Are we ready to count in multiples of 2 to 50? And if you can keep going beyond 50, great. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. And if you can keep going, keep going. Can you write the next 5 multiples of 2, but this time start at 90? So if you've got some paper, write down 90 and then write the next 5. Or if you're saying them out loud, start at 90 and say the next 5. Hopefully you got 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Learn it. Times 2 or doubles. So we've got 7 times 2. Or double 7, 10 times 2 or double 10, 4 times 2 or double 4. So 7 times 2 or double 7 is 14. 10 times 2 or double 10 is 20. 4 times 2 or double 4 is 8. What is this? So we've got a chart using tallies, and remember our tallies go in 5s and then we put a bar across on the 5th one, 5s, the 5th one is a bar, 5, the 5th one is a bar. So the first question, how many books does Amanda have? So you need to look at Amanda, count how many books. Which children have the least books? The least books. So you need to look at everybody and see who has the least books. How many books has Natasha read? So you need to find Natasha, count the tallies. And then when you're ready for the answers, it's on the next slide. There we go. So how many books does Amanda have? If you find Amanda, she has 3. Which children have the least books? That would be Amanda and Brandon. And how many books has Natasha read? So you need to count how many Natasha has. So she has 5, 10, 11, 12. An addition problem. So we've got some fruit with different amounts. We've got 20 pence, 40 pence, 50 pence and 30 pence. And the question is, how much would the pear and the apple cost together? So how much would the pear and the apple cost? So how much would the pear and the apple cost? So we've got 40 pence, add 20 pence. And we know a really easy way to do that because we know that 4 add 2 is 6. So we know that 4 tens add 2 tens is 6 tens, which is 60 pence. What you could also do is write yourself some more addition problems by adding up all different combinations of the fruits. Time. Let's count in 5s around our clock. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And we know that if we've gone a quarter of the way around the clock, it's 15 minutes, quarter past. If we've gone halfway around the clock, it's 30 minutes, half past. And that's what we've been working a lot on in school. So let's look at the time. What time is this? How can we write this using digits? So remember, the hour hand is the shorter hand because hour is the shorter word. So look at the hour hand. And our minute hand is the longer hand because the word minute is longer. Where's the minute hand? Yes, it's on the 3, but how many minutes? And hopefully you got 11:15 or quarter past 11. How much? So we've got a 50 pence, 3 10 pence, 3 2 pence and a 1 pence. How much all together? So we've got a 50, we've got 3 10s, which is 30, we've got 3 2s, which is 6, and then we've got a 1 pence. So all together, we've got 87 pence. We've got 50, 60, 70, 80, 82, 84, 86, 87. Fractions. What fraction is this? Can you write it? How many has the shape been divided into? How many have been coloured? Hopefully you had 1/3. How can I find fractions of numbers? So I want to find 1/3 of 9. Can you remember what to do? So first of all, we made a third picture. So we draw a circle and we divide it into thirds. Then we share out our 9 dots equally. I want to know how many dots there are in 1/3. So I look at one of them, I count the dots, and the answer is 1, 2, 3. So 1/3 of 9 equals 3. If I wanted to find 2/3 of 9, I would look in 2 of the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or I could just go 3, 6. So 2/3 of 9 would be 6. Brilliant! That's another numeracy session over. Well done, everybody. Keep safe, keep happy and keep well, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye! Say bye, Mickey.